Hey trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Please remember to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Starting with the good news, trackies, Rajindra Campbell in the men's shot put. He was able to get to his first global final where he can make a bid for a medal. Now Rajindra threw 20.83 meters to make it into the finals, and it was actually, a clutch performance because it was the final non-automatically qualifying, mark or throw to get him into the final. So again, it was on the wire, but still he made it nonetheless. And I'm excited for Rajindra Campbell, and I can't wait to see what he will be able to do in the finals. Now, there was a massive delay due to rain at the beginning of the meet, so that may have threw off a few persons, including Rajindra Campbell. So I'm really glad that he was able to get into the finals. And of course, from there on, it's any man's game. And I'm wishing Rajindra all the best. Hip hip hooray, he makes it into the finals. Now, trackies, moving on to the mixed relays. Unfortunately, Jamaica did not qualify for the finals. Now, the team consisting of Demish Gay, Natoya Gould-Toppin, Malik James King, and Shelly-Ann Williams ran 3 minutes 14.05 seconds, a season's best, to place fifth in the second heat. Now, the teams making it through to the finals are the Netherlands, France, Czech Republic, Germany, and from Heat 1, we also have the United States, Great Britain, Belgium, and Ireland. So those are your top 8 that make it into the finals. And the big news coming out of the Heat 1 was that the defending champions, Dominican Republic, did not start in the race. Now, as it relates to Jamaica and our non-qualification, I can't say that I am surprised, trackies. When, the selection was made for the team, I did say that we would struggle. Why? Because we were in the heat of death, and it was important, for us to ensure that we fielded a strong team just to make it into the finals. I did indicate this before. However, we did not select a strong team. Personally, what do I think about, the structure of the team that was even used? I would have probably tried to front load the team, start with Malik and Stacey and then allow, Demish Gay and Natoya to try to bring it home. But again, the structure for me was, wrong, solely wrong. We've seen, that Demish Gay is not, at his absolute best, so I would not put him on start. And also, it would be hard to expect Natoya, to navigate, because she's so tiny, to navigate, a pack of girls, again on the second leg to try to, push to the front. And we saw, where she struggled with that. So personally, I would have ensured that, I would have went Malik on first, Stacey second to navigate that. She has the body for it to push aside, a few girls and get Jamaica in a good position. And also, just hand off to Demish and then potentially to Natoya to see if we could potentially get, a qualifying mark out of this. But again, it did not transpire. So personally, maybe the relay coach needs to go. I don't know, because this was blatantly obvious for many to see. One, again, the team was an issue, but not only the team in this, scenario, in my opinion, but just how it was structured. So again, maybe we should start to say off with some heads. Let's talk about, Maurice Wilson. Yes, it's time for you to answer. Enough is enough. You know what? The males in Jamaica currently are doing too well in the 400 meters for this selection to happen. We're not going to let it slide anymore. What was the point of bringing, Rashid McDonald, big boy? He didn't even get a chance to run. Like, I can't even understand. Like, okay, fine. The heats and the finals comes up in the same day. What's wrong with him running, the two rounds? Run the heat. I saw, Fem Cabal, she was there in the heat and she was just there cruising along. You know what I mean? We could have done the same thing. Put the top people in there, because the other countries are taking it seriously and Jamaica is not taking it seriously. We keep messing around and we keep fumbling the bag, and as such, nobody gets a medal. So Rashid McDonald is there, really solid runner this year, 44.03 for what? Nothing at all. And also, apparently you can change out all 4 athletes. So again, Jamaica fumbled big. I'm not going to blame the athletes. Personally, I don't think it's the athletes, but Maurice, come on. Enough is enough. It's time to select the right athletes to run. And also, whoever is in charge of structuring the relay, yeah, you're doing foolishness also. I don't know. Anyway, trackies, sound off in the comment section below and let me know your thoughts. Like the video and I don't know, like the video. Like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.